Good evening. Today the topic is Fibonacci series. How to execute the Fibonacci series? Maybe Fibonacci series is a mathematical formula. So how we can first we need to take 0 and 1. If I add 0 plus 1 means it will take 1. Again take the previous value and the present value. 1 plus 1 2. Again 3. Again 5. Again 8. 30 dot dot dot. I'm taking it as a term. How many terms up to 13 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How to write the program? First I'm taking n1 equal to 0, then n2 equal to 1. What I can do in the next step? N3 equal to n1 plus n2. If I print this program means I can get 0, then 1, again we can get the n. If I continue the process with the same means, it's very difficult to add a lot of terms and elements in these concepts, but I am simply taking as a for loop. Already I taken the two values 0 and 1. The for loop is starts with 2. Then automatically how many terms I need to uh, I need to justify the terms. So then how we can write the logic means n1 equal to n2, then automatically n2 equal to n3. If we write the same logic in the Fibonacci, you can get the output. I am writing the same logic in C language. So I am using the turbo. Then I'm starting the turbo. Yes. Take new. New I'm taking. Then as usual hash include stdio dot h. Second thing void main. Then we need to define the variables. How many variables we need? All are the integers. N1 equal to 0 comma n2 equal to 1 comma n3. For the for loop I am taking as a and term. So then print f, enter how many terms you need. How many terms you need. Then I need to scan this. Scanf double quotation percentage of d comma ampersand of term. Finish. I'm starting with the print initialize value to be printf double quotation slash n percentage of d. I am giving some space. Again percentage of d, then n1 comma n2 will be printed for the output. Then automatically we can start the for loop. Where we need to start the for loop? A equal to 2, a less than number, semicolon, a plus plus. Then again we need to print n3 equal to n11 plus n2. Why? Because the loop need to be iterate. Then I am printing the n3. Print double quotation. Again I am giving some slash space and percentage of d comma. What I need to print here? n3. n3. So then forget to give the semicolon. n1 equal to n2 semicolon, then n2 equal to N3. For the program benefit, I am writing the get ch. Finally, I am closing the for loop. Again, this is for main. We need to save the program. Save, save, pb.c. Son, okay. Program is saved. Then, so we need to compile the program. Alt F9. Yes, I'm finding one error is there. Where undefined symbol number. See here we need to write. Here we need to write term. Typing mistake. Then save the program and again compile the program. See there is no errors. Then run the program. See how many terms you need. I need 8. Enter. See this? Fine. Again I'm compiling the program. No errors. See the previous output also we are seeing here. I can show the solution for this. How many I need? 5. Already 0, 1, 1 is printed. Then 2 it needs to be print. Then 3 is need to be print. Then 5 completed. See sir, how to erase the previous one means you need to give CLR SCR. Then we can see the clean screen. See then now I am giving again I can compile the program, run the program. I am giving instructions as 10 terms I need. See this 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I again enter the same key, automatically it will go to the program. See this? Automatically it will go to the program. So then what I need to do? Then we can quit the program from this. Quit. If you have any doubts, just raise your